Namaste सभी को. Another video. This topic I have chosen from class 11th accountancy, the very beginning, double entry system. यहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल introductory part को discuss करेंगे. Let's start. As you can see on the top, I have written the very famous person who has been termed as the father of double entry system. Double entry system is one of the scientific methods of accounting. Luca Pacioli, he has written a book on double entry system in the year 1494. Since then, he has been termed as father of accountancy or father of double entry system. So double entry system, what is a double entry system? As the name itself suggests, double. Every transactions, as we have gone through the last video and we had learned about accounting equation. अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन में हमने यही समझा कि कैसे कोई एक ट्रांजैक्शन दो साइड्स को अफेक्ट करता है. टेकिंग द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट लिटिल फर्दर एंड इन अ साइंटिफिक मैनर, डबल एंट्री सिस्टम हैज़ बीन स्टैब्लिश्ड. इट सेज एवरी ट्रांजैक्शन हैज़ गॉट टू एस्पेक्ट. हर ट्रांजैक्शन के दो रिजल्ट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू बाय अ फर्नीचर इन कैश, इसमें आपका क्या होगा, आपका फर्नीचर आपके पास आया और फर्नीचर को खरीदने के लिए आपने जो कैश पेमेंट किया, इससे आपका कैश आउटफ्लो हुआ. सो हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड इन द डबल एंट्री सिस्टम दिस ट्रांजैक्शन? बिफोर रिकॉर्डिंग एनी ट्रांजैक्शंस इन द बुक्स, you have to understand which account it belongs to, then what is the rules of those account. So this video I haven't introduced the rules, but here you will get a little insights about the accounts and its types. As you can see the flow chart, that accounts has been mainly subdivided into personal account and impersonal account. Personal account again subdivided into three main accounts: natural personal account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. Then impersonal account is again subdivided into two parts: real accounts and nominal accounts. Real accounts again subdivided into tangible real accounts and intangible real accounts. So to understand the accounts, let's get into this further. Double entry system, what does double entry system has to do with any transaction? So you need to understand it record every transactions in money or relating to money. The receipt of a benefit, right? Whatever the benefits is being received by one account, and whatever the surrender or the amount which is foregone by another account, the both side are recorded in the form of debit and credit. So debit word is very important in accountancy, so is credit. Debit is an abbreviation of addebitere and debere, the verb forms of debit used in Italian and Latin languages respectively. ये वर्ड कहाँ यूज़ हुआ है? लैटिन और इटालियन लैंग्वेजेस में. डेबिट को DR से हम शो करते हैं, इंडिकेट करते हैं, बट द एक्चुअल डेबिट इज द एब्रिविएशन ऑफ द वर्ड addebitere or debere. I will be taking it more further. Let's start the meaning of accounts. Personal account, as you see the first. So the accounts basically relates to an individual, firm, company or an institution are called personal account. वो सभी अकाउंट जो किसी एक इंडिविजुअल से या किसी फर्म से या किसी कंपनी से या किसी भी संस्थान से जुड़े होते हैं, उन सभी अकाउंट्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? पर्सनल अकाउंट. नाउ दिस पर्सनल अकाउंट कैन बी लाइक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कृष्णा अकाउंट, श्याम अकाउंट, रजनी अकाउंट. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स. इसमें there is a classification, like as you can see, natural, artificial and representative. So when we say natural account, it means the accounts of human beings. Artificial account, these accounts do not have any physical existence, but they work as a personal account. जैसे कि किसी भी कंपनी या इंस्टीट्यूशन की एक इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी होती है, लेकिन आइडेंटिटी होती तो है, लेकिन वो दे आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड इन लिविंग बींग्स. Then there is another form which is called representative account. When an account represents a particular person or a group of persons, it is termed as representative account. मतलब अगर किसी अकाउंट से आप किसी ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, जैसे कि सैलरीज पे करना है इन द मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर. सो if the salaries you have to pay for December month, you're not paying it to individual employees, but you have to show it under salaries accounts. So that salary payable, जो amount आपका due है, that salary is representing a group of persons. वो group of person कौन से हैं? Employees, जिसको salary आपको provide करनी है. So that becomes a representative personal account. Then comes your impersonal, where you see real accounts and nominal accounts. अब real accounts basically, as you can see, classified into two types, tangible and intangible. So the word tangible, before going into tangible, real account क्या चीज़ है? See, the account of all those things whose value can be measured in terms of money are called real account. Likewise, कोई भी account या कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी, कोई भी थिंग्स, इफ़ यू कैन मेजर इन मनी टर्म्स, मॉनेटरी में अगर आप उसको मेजर कर पा रहे हो, दैन इट बिकम्स अ रियल अकाउंट. द अकाउंट ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स हुज वैल्यू कैन बी मेजर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, दैट बिकम्स द प्रॉपर्टी, है ना, दैट बिकम्स द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी बिजनेस. अगर आप उसका मॉनेटरी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर पा रहे हो, इवेलुएट कर पा रहे हो, दैट बिकम्स अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी बिजनेस. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? रियल अकाउंट. जैसे कि इसके एग्जांपल में यू में इंक्लूड फर्नीचर अकाउंट, मशीनरी अकाउंट, राइट, बिल्डिंग अकाउंट, ये सब की मॉनेटरी वैल्यू है, इनको वैल्यू इवेलुएट किया जा सकता है. नाउ टेंजिबल मीन्स एनीथिंग विच कैन बी टच्ड, फील, measured or purchased. Those are called tangible. And intangible, these accounts basically cannot be touched but can be valued in terms of money. For example, your patent, trademark, copyrights, ये इनकी, you cannot touch these things, right, but they are in the existence and you can measure them. आप उसको measure कर सकते हो, evaluate कर सकते हो. Whereas intangible, इनका existence है, you can touch, you can feel, like building, machinery, you can touch, you can see, and you can measure them in monetary terms as well. Then in the right side you see here I have made classification of these accounts and written few examples. Like in personal account, capital account included, drawings account, bank overdraft, debtors account, creditors account, salary outstanding, prepaid expenses, and Krishna's account. Krishna becomes a natural personal account, okay, whereas salary outstanding becomes a representative account, and your bank account, debtors account, these becomes your artificial account. Then real accounts may, you may include cash paid, cash received, then furniture, cash account, okay, goodwill account, patent, machinery, and under nominal, which is the third, here commission paid, commission received, purchase, sale, salary, insurance, bad debt recovered, bad debt written off. These are the examples you may include in these respective accounts. In the next video, I will be taking up the rules, regulations relating to each and every account and how transactions are recorded using those rules.